anyway, so
हाय गाइस, तो आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको सिखाने वाली हूँ कि कैसे आप अपनी शक्ल ऐसे ले जा सकते हैं।
हमें तुम्हारे लक्षण बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं लग रहे हैं, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा।
So without any further ado, let's get started.
सबसे पहले देवियों, कृपया करके ध्यान दीजिए कि आपके बाल आपके सुंदर से चेहरे के सामने ना आए, अन्यथा आपका जो आधा किलो का मेकअप है वो आपके बालों पे भी छू सकता है और ये आप बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहते, मुझे पता है।
Step 2, moisturize your lips first. I'm taking this Good Vibes Rose Toner. Next, I'm taking this moisturizer by Lakme Peach Creme. Great, man. Yeah, try it out. अब बारी है अपने फेस को कलर करेक्ट करने की। जहाँ जहाँ आपके डार्क सर्कल्स हैं, पिगमेंटेशन है, उनको हाइड करने की, ताकि आपका जो फाउंडेशन है बिल्कुल भी ऐशी ना लगे, बहुत ही नेचुरल सा आपको इफेक्ट दे। दैट आई एम यूजिंग इनसाइड प्रो कंसीलर palette and I'm taking this orange shade right here with my finger. And for the foundation, I'm taking Lakme Night 2. I got it. I'm in the shade Warm Beige. Concealer by Swiss Beauty in the shade 04. Yeah. For the brows, I'm taking this Miss Clear waterproof eyebrow pencil, and I'm just using this spoolie to brush my eyebrows out.
What I do, I try to fill in my outer part of the eyebrows so it doesn't look like I have like, what is it?
Have you ever had a dream that you could?
Okay.
I'm taking this concealer for my eyelids. Now I'm gonna set my face with this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Natural Beige. Taking this powder brush, dust off the excess and set your face. I'm taking this brown shade for the base eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna blend it into my crease.
Darker on the edges. Pat it and blend it at the same time. This shimmer shade, and I'm just gonna in the middle of the eyelid. Yeah. I'm gonna do this one offline, so I'll be right back.
Hey! And this powder brush, and I'm just taking, we're gonna make a fish base and apply it upwards.
Yo.
Taking blush by Sugar, it's in the shade Peach Peak. And to highlight my face, again I'm taking this palette and this shade right here. Little bit on my nose. Ittu sa. And we are not done. To set our face with the setting spray, I'm using this color bar, not color bar, Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Makeup Fixer. So here's my final look. I just did my hair. I literally just combed it, nothing extra, and I just love it. Ooh, a little bit of slow motion.
What a wonderful world.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video as I did doing this makeup, and yeah, do the thing, like, share and comment, subscribe to my channel. So yeah, bye, sayonara.